Sheep replaced cars on the streets of Madrid on Sunday, as shepherds led their flocks through the center of the Spanish capital following ancient herding routes. Locals and tourists lined the route and watched as thousands of sheep were herded through the city, the bells around their necks making a noisy soundtrack to the centuries-old tradition.
Reivindicamos en primer lugar las cañadas reales, que es el patrimonio de los ganaderos de España, que tenemos derecho a transitar por la amplia red que une España de norte a sur, de este a oeste. Y aparte de reivindicarla para nosotros, la reivindicamos como camino verde, como medio, como forma de potenciar la vida en los pueblos.
Just a few centuries ago, the route would have taken them through quiet countryside. But today, it has them traverse some of the busiest streets of the city. Many onlookers were surprised by the unexpected sight in a city usually thronged with traffic.
I thought it was such a wonderful experience. I thought it was crazy that there were so many sheep. I've never seen anything like it, and I thought it was a great way to learn about Spanish history and Spanish culture as well.
Pues porque ver unas ovejas ahí en pleno centro de Madrid es único. Es que de hecho estaba ahí hablando con unos extranjeros, unos de Nueva York y tal, y dice que es único en el mundo.
Un oficio que está desapareciendo por desgracia, y es una pena, porque los niños pequeños se creen que la leche viene del supermercado y es una pena que no los conozcan.
The annual event, which started in 1994, allows shepherds to use traditional routes to herd their livestock from northern Spain to more southerly pastures for winter grazing.